Good day, sir, madam. Lehoma, I'm Digna R. Floreta, 40 years old from Philippines. I'm married. I have two kids, ages 8 years old and 4 years old. I am a college undergraduate taking up BS Tourism. My working experience is I've been in China for 1 year, taking care of kids ages 4 and 2 years old. I also do a household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and marketing. I send the kids also in their schools and do some homeworks. Sir, madam, if you hired me, I'm honest, hardworking, and God-fearing person. I know how to cook Filipino food and Western food. I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. Thank you so much, and Doche Sai.